What's up, YouTube? On my way to work, and it's like 40 to 50 mile an hour winds apparently today, and raining all day, tornado watch, all that good stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a interesting day. Honestly, the only reason I'm riding the bike today is because I gotta get it serviced this morning, but that's just my luck, so here we are. It's been decent all week, and then this happens. But I know it's been a while since I posted, but I've been doing a lot of rides and not, so I haven't been putting a bunch of time into editing because I've been on the bike. But I'll hopefully get those videos caught up, and we'll go from there. But I do have footage. It's been a while since I've been actually able to upload it or edit, and that's why it's been a while since I actually uploaded. So this will probably come up before my other videos I've recorded, just because it's going to be easier to edit, because it's going to be a shorter video. Toot toot. But then of course I am going here in a few days, like 6 days, I'm getting married. And we going to the beach. Going to the Bahamas, actually. So, it might be a little bit before you guys hear from me. We're only going to be gone about a week, but it is what it is. Regardless, I'm excited. I'm going to hit that interstate this morning. Running a little behind, but it's alright, because we can make that time up. Maybe if I can see where I'm going, I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to see it tucked, because I got my new windscreen, put it on yesterday, and the bike looks phenomenal with it. But you can't see through it. It's the black Puig Racing Z screen, I think they call it. I'll link it down in the description below. But they have several different colors. I just went with black because it goes with the bike. And let's be honest, I'm obviously like a foot above the windscreen, so it's not that big a deal. But I think when I'm in full tug, it might impair my vision slightly. But we'll live with it. It definitely helps with the wind. It's hard to tell because there's such a hard side wind today where the weather sucks, but I did ride for like 5 minutes yesterday, and it definitely helped. This interstate. Maybe it's drier than the rest of the roads. Tesla don't want to smoke, we already know that. Ooh, tunnel vision. Time to let out, boys. No sense in pushing beyond your limits. made up time, so there's that. I might even not be late. Anyway, guys, appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next one. If you enjoyed it, make sure you do the do. But I'm not saying the words because it never works. But till next time, peace.